If your car gets a flat tire, the first worst thing people do is to just grab the jack by panicking and start unscrewing bolts. You could be putting your life in serious danger, or worse, make your car completely undrivable. Remember this, flat tires can happen to anyone that drives cars, vans, trucks, motorbikes and bicycles. But knowing what to do can make a huge difference between getting back on the road quick or sitting in 95-degree heat waiting for a tow truck for 3 hours. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what to do step by step so you stay safe, save money and avoid a towing nightmare. Most people do this wrong, so don't be one of them. Number 1, the first 60 seconds can save your life. The moment you realize you've got a flat tire, just pull over safely and slowly. Avoid slamming on the brakes. Find a flat open area away from traffic, a parking lot, a wide shoulder or a side road if possible. Then turn on your hazard lights immediately and never get out of the car until you've checked your surroundings. People die every year on highways from doing this wrong. Number 2, check before you touch. Quick inspection checklist. You need to get out of the vehicle and assess. Is it a slow leak, a blowout or a puncture? Look for nails, torn sidewalls or hissing air. If the sidewall is shredded, don't even think about driving. But if it's a nail in the tread and the air isn't totally gone, you might have a few safe minutes to reach a nearby tire shop or safe zone. Use your phone flashlight to inspect the inside of the wheel well too. Number 3, don't jack it up until you do this. This is where most people mess up. They rush to jack up the car before loosening the lug nuts. Wrong. You need the car's weight on the ground so the tire doesn't spin. 1. Loosen lug nuts with a cross wrench or tire iron. 2. Only lift the jack once they're cracked loose. 3. Then lift the car slowly and double checking it's stable before going further. Number 4. Spare tire or tire repair kit. Modern cars sometimes ditch the spare tire for a repair kit. Check your trunk or underfloor. Is it a compact spare or just an air pump and sealant? Don't wait until you have a flat to find out. Trust me, I've seen people stranded in the middle of nowhere with nothing but a can of foam and regret. Notice, always keep a real spare tire if you drive long distances or off-road. Number 5, how to safely swap the tire. In this case, no muscle needed. Once the car's jacked up and lug nuts are loose, remove the flat carefully. Line up the spare. Tighten lug nuts in a star pattern. Lower the car and re-tighten once it's on the ground. Now tighten diagonally, not in a circle. Keeps the wheel evenly seated. Number 6, what to do if you have no tools. No jack, no spare, no tools. Here's what to do. Call roadside assistance, recovery, insurance, or manufacturer line. Activate location services on your phone and search online to find the nearest tire shop or mobile tire repair. Notice, always keep a portable air compressor and tire sealant in your car. These are lifesavers. Number 7, how to prevent flat tires like a pro. If you want to avoid flats altogether, you need to do this once a month. Check tire pressure. Here, inspect tread depth. Use a penny or tread gauge. Look for uneven wear, possible alignment issues. Rotate your tires every 5,000, 7,000 miles. Finally, why this happens more than you think. Like I said earlier on this video, flat tires can happen any driver at any time, so you just need to know what to do to come out of the trouble quickly. Take control. Be prepared. Because your safety and your families might depend on it one day. If you want to stay even more safe on the road, please watch this next video popping up here. 6 shocking critical flat tires errors drivers make. Our main focus is to bring you weekly tire tips that actually keep you safe and save money. Many thanks for watching.